Using SLA reports to improve support efficiency is a game changer for customer service teams. Whether you're looking to boost response times, enhance customer satisfaction, or streamline operations, understanding SLA, service level agreement, reports is key to taking your support team to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage these reports to maximize your team's performance. Let's dive straight in. SLA reports provide insight into how well your team is meeting its response and resolution goals. The data shows you if your team is hitting the SLA targets and, more importantly, where things are falling short. You can spot patterns in ticket resolution times, customer waiting periods, and response delays. Start by looking at the SLA compliance rate. This shows the percentage of tickets resolved within the agreed upon time. A high compliance rate means your team is consistently hitting targets, while a low rate signals areas for improvement. Don't just rely on averages, look deeper into individual cases to see what's contributing to missed SLAs. For example, are certain team members consistently missing targets? Or maybe specific types of issues are taking longer to resolve. Once you spot where improvements can be made, create actionable plans to address them. If certain issues consistently take longer than expected, adjust your team's priorities or provide additional training to handle those tickets faster. This is where efficiency gains start to happen. Next, use SLA reports to identify recurring bottlenecks. Are there certain times of the day or week when your team struggles to meet SLA targets? Use this insight to adjust staffing levels during peak periods. In many cases, you might find that a quick tweak to your team's schedule can massively improve efficiency. Another great way to use SLA reports is to track trends over time. If you notice a downward trend in SLA compliance, it might be a sign that something has changed in your support process. This could be a workflow issue, a change in ticket volume, or perhaps a technical glitch with your support software. Regularly reviewing these trends will help you spot issues before they become bigger problems. But the power of SLA reports doesn't end there. Use them to set better expectations with customers. If you're consistently meeting your SLAs, your customers will notice. You can even use the data to show customers your commitment to high service standards. This transparency can increase trust and satisfaction. Here's a quick summary of how to use SLA reports effectively. 1. Review SLA compliance rates to assess team performance. 2. Identify bottlenecks and prioritize areas that need improvement. 3. Track trends over time to spot potential issues before they grow. 4. Adjust staffing or workflows based on peak periods. 5. Use the data to communicate your team's efficiency to customers. As a key takeaway, the most important thing to remember when using SLA reports to improve support efficiency is to act on the data. It's not just about collecting numbers. It's about using those numbers to make smarter decisions, optimize your team, and deliver better customer experiences. Also, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used in this video, available in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure you don't miss out. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the trial in the description and start using SLA reports to boost your support efficiency today.